hear that? Hold on, but I think I turned it like way up. I turned it to 100%. It shouldn't be that loud, right? There we go. I hear her. Okay, but how do I use my sledgehammer? Oh, like this. Now I don't even have to make my own sounds for the sledgehammer. Literally just moving the volume slider fixed it. That's probably the first thing I should have tried, but... maybe sometimes you just don't want it to work. This way. She's this way. We're totally attracting the monster. I don't hear her. Mm-mm. 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 Mm-mm.